Sabi doon when I
Check mo
was
na lang.
researching yung political,
Teka.
strategy ng China, I found out that they
Mm,
are ano, tumitingin sila sa matagalang proseso ng politika nila,
mm,
geopolitics aside,
mm,
what they're looking at is 10, 20 or 30 years from now, paano nila
mhm,
ma-accumulate yung issue nila with the Western countries na nasa Asia. Kasi nung
mhm,
nangyari sa Japan, when there was a World War II,
hmm,
na-isolate ang Japan. 'Di ba nagkaroon ng blockade ng lahat ng mga raw materials for them to use para sa paglaban nila doon sa World War II. Parang mula noon daw, ginamit daw 'yun ng Communist Party ng China to
yun
use
yun,
it as their strategy politically na kapagka sila naman at ngayon nagiging issue nila ngayon, they are fighting against the Western power, is that
hmm,
they're trying to make sure na yung malalapit sa kanila na bansa, makahon nila at makuha nila yung mga